Hi class, I just wanted to point out that you have a few assignments that have been handed back, and I wanted to show you where to get your grades, but also some feedback. So I first want to start off by apologizing that because of a few situations I didn't get the practice assignment back on time, which was important for the reflection for the next one, applying theory. So what you can do is simply state that you didn't get feedback in order to prepare for and complete the second assignment. So something I just wanted to show you, I'm impersonating a student right now, so I'm looking at someone's grades. So what you can do, if you see the tabs up top, there's one that's actually called grades, and that's what I'm on right now. So when you click on grades, you'll actually see all of the assignments listed, and you'll see a mark and feedback. The other thing that I would like you to pay attention to is within your Dropbox, there are times when I'm marking on my iPad and that I leave you feedback. So in addition to Dropbox grades that are left here, in addition to where you see them here, that I also, when I hand back the assignment, it may have feedback in it. So here's an example for that first assignment. If you scroll through that feedback, you'll actually see your original document here. But what I have here, it says annotated, is that I'm going to click on that, and you can actually see the information that's from the assignment that I've handed back, and it may look like this. So I actually write on my iPad, and so this was one of the questions that was handed in, so good, better, best. Sometimes I underline and may leave a comment written right on it, but sometimes I will circle it, and you see these numbers right here. These are actually referring to a comment that I put in it, which if you scroll to the bottom, you'll actually see comments down here associated with what I've circled. So it is important that when you are looking for feedback, that you are looking to your grades, and that you see that if you've got a 0, it means that you didn't hand in that assignment. Maybe that's a conversation that we need to have. You can email me. Unfortunately, as we go forward, it's very important that you stay on top of those assignments, including discussions, and look at the feedback that I'm giving you here. But in addition to that, you can actually look at your assignment and see if there's any feedback on it. Hope that helps when you're looking at the assignments that you have and your progress so far.